In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record your internal audio on Android. This is really easy, and yeah, let's get started right away. So for this instance, I got the AZ screen recorder on this Android device, and I think on most of the built-in screen recorders of your Android, it will be the same, but yeah, let's get started. So in this one, you just have to click on the settings right here, and if you scroll a bit down, you can just see where it says record audio. It says internal audio only from Android 10 Plus. So this will just record your audio if you have it enabled, like I have currently. But for some other recorders, it may say like internal audio or something else, but you just gotta read carefully. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.